Okay, so I removed the ironing board that was here in the wall, and I realized why it was sticking out so far, because this pipe is there. So I cut a piece of drywall to size to fit in here. Now, I am not going to be able, I don't think, to put these on here to help, because I'm not going to be able to screw in from here. So I'm going to, that's not going to work either, because this is too thick. What about this? This could work. So if I cut this, I could have one piece down here and one piece up here. So that's what I'm going to do. So all of this is dry now. I'm gonna sand it down. Probably gonna have to do another coat in some of these areas. Like, I can definitely tell that this is bumped out. So I'm not liking that, but I guess it is what it is. So I'm going to sand this down with my orbital sander, and I'm going to use 180 grit sandpaper. Now I just have a few places that I'm gonna have to put in some fresh spackle. Like when I was sanding, this kind of started happening. So I'll need to repair that.
Stay tuned for my next video where I start preparing for paint by removing all of the baseboards.